Hello everyone, welcome back to Train, where we make AI simple for you. ChatGPT Atlas is an AI-powered web browser developed by OpenAI and launched in October 2025. It is designed to merge traditional browsing with the capabilities of ChatGPT, creating an interactive and intelligent web experience. The browser is built on Chromium, ensuring compatibility with most websites and extensions, and it includes a built-in ChatGPT sidebar that allows users to interact with AI while viewing any web page. Atlas introduces several core features. The ChatGPT sidebar can summarize articles, explain content, translate text, or assist with research directly from the page being viewed. Users can highlight specific text and ask ChatGPT to rewrite, simplify, or elaborate on it without switching tabs. There is also an experimental feature called Agent Mode, which allows the AI to perform limited automated tasks such as opening pages, gathering information, or completing web-based actions when instructed. The browser includes clear privacy and memory controls, letting users decide whether Atlas should remember past activity or operate without storing context. The primary advantage of ChatGPT Atlas is efficiency. Instead of copying and pasting between tabs or using external tools, users can perform research, summarize information, and generate text inside the same browser window. This integration reduces context switching and improves workflow continuity. Because Atlas understands the page content, its responses are more relevant and specific than those generated through separate chat interfaces. It is particularly effective for tasks like comparing data across websites, drafting reports based on web content, or creating concise summaries from long articles. To begin using ChatGPT Atlas, users can visit chatgpt.com/Atlas and download the application. After installation, logging in with an OpenAI account provides access to the same features available in ChatGPT. During setup, the browser asks whether to enable browser memory. This can be turned on to allow contextual awareness or kept off for privacy. Once inside, opening any website automatically activates the ChatGPT sidebar. For example, a user can open a news article, click the ChatGPT icon, and type, "Summarize this page in 3 bullet points." The AI reads the content and returns a concise summary in seconds. Another basic example is text editing. Highlight a paragraph on a web page and request, "Rewrite this in a more professional tone." Atlas will provide a refined version instantly. For users with agent mode access, it is possible to issue task-based commands such as search for the top 5 AI conferences in 2025 and open the official websites. The agent carries out the instruction autonomously and displays the results. All actions can be reviewed and adjusted by the user at any time. Settings are accessible through the menu icon in the top right corner. Under data controls, users can review or delete browser memories, adjust privacy preferences, and clear browsing history. Atlas is structured to ensure transparency, allowing full visibility into how data is stored and used. ChatGPT Atlas represents a step towards fully integrated AI browsing where information retrieval, analysis, and creation occur within a single environment. Its purpose is to make browsing more contextual, interactive, and efficient by embedding AI assistance directly into the web experience. We will definitely have more videos on this new feature in the coming weeks. So if you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button, and see you next time.